How's it going, everyone? It is Andre Williams, and you know what time it is. It is time for the joke of the day. So here it comes. I made a pencil with 2 erasers today. It was pointless. Come on. The reason why I do these jokes of the day, you probably had a long day, maybe you had a stressful day, and I just want you to come to my video so you can enjoy one of my corny jokes. But let's get into it. So today, you know what we're going to be talking about? SOS had a big day today. And on top of that, the company responded to the short report as well. These are one of the things that we want to look out for. And just to add on top of that as well, Bitcoin seems to be recovering. So this is good news for anyone who is a shareholder. So like I normally do, I'm going to be doing a technical analysis as far as how we did today with the stock. I'm also going to be going over the news update and how the company responded. And I'm going to give you guys my final thoughts afterwards. All right, so we're going to be doing the technical analysis on SOS. And today was a great day. We had a big time gap up, as you can see here. We ended up gapping up to $5.55 and making that big strong move in the pre-market and pulling off that pre-market high of $6.52. Anyone who was shorting this stock, I just hope that you covered at this point, because you already know when that statement got dropped from the company, it was going to be a rough day for you. But let's keep moving forward. As you can see from here, from 5 o'clock all the way going into around 7, we held some strong support here at $6. We ended up having some sell-offs, but look where we formed another new support right here around 560. Then we had a move back up. And literally, as we're going right into the open, we're literally doing a good, nice, solid, bullish uptrend. As you can see, we're moving. And we see we're right here at $6. Make a strong move all the way up to $7.24. Of course, we didn't spend much time there. So the resistance area ended up being around $7.03. As you see the green candle going red, we had some sell-offs. And then we ended up in here at $6.50. Let's extend out the chart a little bit for you guys. So one thing that I want you guys to keep notice of is how the support levels are constantly changing. So we have a support level here at $6.50. Buying pressure increase. FOMO's kicking in because a lot of people are seeing, whoa, this stock was literally in the $4 range on Friday. I need to get in. I need to buy in. And even if we take a look right now, look at the solid movement from $6.50 moving up to the high of $7.32. Strong move, but of course it didn't spend much time over there. So we could honestly say if you were kind of sitting around and you're looking about, hey, you know what, selling, or maybe you're just like, hey, wanted to take some profits, you could have definitely taken some at $7.05. And if that would have been great if you would have catch that dip or even catch the $4 area on the Friday. But let's move forward. We have a strong sell-off going over here right at 12. But look, we have a support area here at $6.34. If we take a look at the RSI, we're right at 41, so it's just 10 above 30, which means that you could have definitely added to this particular area. It would have definitely been great for a swing or a day trade opportunity, because as you can see from 634, it made a move all the way up to here around $6.81. We can call that $6.87, but did not spend a lot of time over there. But look over here. We end up forming a higher level of support at $6.46. And this are one of the things that people are noticing. Traders are noticing this. They keep forming higher support levels, and this is going on as the day is progressing. So we're at $6.46. We got a strong move over here to $7, revisiting that $7 area. But as you can see, this resistance area here right at 705 was where we needed to pass and where we needed to test it. If we would have passed this particular area, there is no doubt in my mind we would have definitely been touching the $7, and let's call that $7.10 and making a move to $7.15. So we end up having a sell-off, but look, another area of support, a newer area at $6.56. Another strong move here to $6.87. Keep in mind, this is right at 3 o'clock. So you know what? This is around a time where we're going to be seeing some sell-offs. A lot of traders are going to be exiting their positions. So as you see, We end up getting all the way down to here at $3.50 to $6.52. But again, we see that was a prior support level, and it made a strong move to the upside into close, where it finished off at $6.69. We had some more selling off going on in the after hours here, as you can see, around 4:25. And look at the chart right now. It's 5:03 p.m. and it has some solid move here to $6.88. So what I'm looking forward tomorrow, I want to see a gap up to that $7 area. If we see a gap up to that $7 area, things will look very, very interesting. If we end up gapping down or we end up hitting lows of the day, particular areas you want to look out, especially where we have support areas, is around $6.61. Another area is around $6.50. Another area is $6.40. And even if it does pull back, we have $6.31. Anything lower than that, if you're thinking about adding to your position and so forth, again, it is not a bad idea. So here we are on Yahoo Finance, and here we could see SOS making their response to the short report that came out. So we're just going to go over it very quickly here. So SOS was recently attacked by short sellers with distorted, misleading, and unsubstantiated claims regarding the company. The company also believes certain social media accounts of some company board members may have been impersonated or disabled for short periods of time. The company believes these attacks were purposely designed to manipulate the price of the company's shares with the aim of causing a stock price decline in order to economically benefit the short sellers to the detriment of the company's public shareholders. SOS stands behind the integrity of the company and remains committed to maintaining transparency and the highest ethical principles. SOS reserves all rights that it may have against these short sellers and will defend itself vigorously against those behind these attacks and misleading allegations. The company is preparing a more detailed response to the false innuendo and lies that are being spread about the company. SOS looks forward to vigorously defending itself, addressing these matters, and providing more information in the coming days. The company also plans to enhance its investor relation capabilities in the future. In the meantime, please submit any inquiries that you have about this rapidly developing situation to ir@sosyun.com. The company will consider these inquiries and address them collectively in a consolidated response. These are one of the things that we want to see. The fact that they are able to respond to this report and they did it in a timely manner is one of the things we need to consider and realize, and it's part of the reasons why we saw that surge in SOS today. Just wanted to let you guys know about this. So in conclusion, I am very, very happy to see how SOS did today, and I love how they handled that report. They were very quick about it. They didn't just rest on their laurels and so forth, and that's what I actually want to see. We also need to pay attention to what's going on with Bitcoin. I saw that it's back in that 49,000 range, and I definitely want to see it get back to 50 and beyond, because if that ends up happening, we'll definitely see some changes in the stock price for SOS. I also want to address that, hey, when it comes to investing, it comes with a lot of risk. So also I want to throw in the disclaimer. I'm not a financial advisor and this isn't financial advice. So when you do invest, just do it at your own risk. And I also want to send a shout out. There was someone who left a comment and said, hey, your call option that you bought, the $5 call on Friday, is going to get wrecked. And the only thing I have to say to you is, how's your put doing? I don't brag. I'm not the bragging type, but hey, that $5 call option ended up being a really good idea. But I also want to show you guys that, hey, this comes with being able to stomach risk, stomach volatility, and just pay attention of what's going on in the market. Like I said in that video last week, whenever you see these reports coming out, everyone has their own self-interest. And Hindenburg had interest because they were shorting the stock. They knew that it would cause a panic. They knew a lot of people would be selling off shares. And things like this happen a lot. And these are one of the things you need to be aware of and just get used to and capitalize when the opportunity presents itself, especially when you do believe that, you know what, the company is making the moves and doing the things that they need to do to grow and to move forward. But I'm not going to take up any more of your time. I still got some more videos to release for you guys, so we'll talk soon. Peace.